look ridiculous right now. It is like 6 in the afternoon. This is not the intended video for today, but life happens. So I'm just going to make some chicken and broccoli for dinner and go from there. Heating up a skillet to put some oil in it. Just need a little bit of oil. I don't know why this pan is so lopsided. Salt, pepper, garlic powder, and seasoned salt. I don't know why there's so much water, but I'm going to drain the water out. So you put the chicken away, well, like on a plate by itself, and let it sit for a little bit, and you put some more oil in here. Then you put the onions that you cut up. Ow, I burnt myself.
Yeah, I just hurt myself too.
And the broccoli.
Why are you gonna do that?
This is pretty cooked now, so I'm gonna put 1/4 cup water and a little bit of garlic salt on it. In a measuring cup, you're going to put 2/3 cup of water, and then this season mix.
No, it shouldn't.
Just keep going in broccoli and beef. Now that this is cooked, you're going to add the chicken back into it. And the packet that we just put into the water, we're going to put on top. Make a little bit of minute rice with it. Just try to make sure it's all nice and coated, because then it's going to thicken up. Because like as you can see, the sauce is already thickened up, and you just got to make sure it's all nice and coated. Our plates look like. This is Leander's, mine, and Finley's just some rice and some pepper.
Mommy,
Buddy,
I don't want to go to school
why not?
because it's not fun.
Oh well.
Still, I just don't want to go.
You only have tomorrow is your last full day, and then you have
Friday?
half day Friday, and then you're off for 2 weeks.
Coral's gonna have 3 weeks off.
Why is she going on vacation?
Yeah,
Must be nice.
I'm gonna have 2
It's because her daddy has money.
You're broke.
Always.
Go to bed. I want to get that. Go to bed. I want to hear you sing, but that's again. Go to bed. I want to hear you sing, that's again. Go to bed.
Show the vlog what Grandpa got you. He's in the process of making this. And then where's the rest of the thing? Over there.
And this the recipes is for that car.
Because he hasn't quite got it down yet. At the end, I think he should have the 3 of them. I'm not really sure.
I'm gonna build this.
I guess
on
this.
3.
This is what he's supposed
That's
to have.
second.
I guess this is what he's supposed to have
That's
when he's
the-
done in that car. Right there. Love you. Good night. Love you. See you in the morning.
Good morning.
If you guys have any video suggestions, please let me know. We're halfway through the month. I only missed 1 day but made up for it and posted 2 the next day. Tomorrow we're going to see Christmas lights with my parents somewhere. Not really sure where they're taking us, but they're taking us somewhere. I really need to clean my house, so I'm probably going to do that. I also need to finish going through their toys. That's a project. But I did have them helping me a little bit today. Comment, like, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.